So here is a sample of some of the things that you can do with Microsoft Pivot. So I've seen a few examples that used Wikipedia and a few others. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the more interesting ones. The Sports Illustrated one is one of my favorites. It's going to load. This is probably the most impressive to look at because it has such a diverse set of data. The example that I've put together doesn't have anywhere close to as diverse a set, but you can clearly see how you can zoom in and really see what's going on, and group and sort by all different categories. So that's the one of the Microsoft examples. Now I put together something that I call Facebook Friends. And this is going to take and allow you to do the same basic things with all your friends on Facebook. I've put in a few different areas that you can search on. Companies worked for, college, wall post counts, birthday, relationship status, sex, time zone, and, well, about me is not really useful, but to get it to show up when you click on someone, I had to put it in there. And it does even seem to support international, beyond ASCII characters, which is impressive. Anyway, so let's say we want to go ahead and find all the people who we don't know their birthday, for example. We only have a few here on Facebook. And we can see here's the people whose birthday we don't know. And we can switch and group them by male, female, and whatever. Let's say we also want to put in a few other birthdays, some of the most common ones. And then we'll get a bunch of people here. If we click on any one of these groups, we'll just get those people. And then we can further sort them down by, say, relationship status. No, they all must be the same. Or wall post count. Oh, helps if you turn it on. Relationship status. There we go, now that works. We can turn off the birthday filter and put them all in just their relationship status. Take off the sex filter, and it works just kind of like that. But overall, I'm pretty impressed with how easy this was to put together. We can go ahead and here and with wall post count change the range to even show up, so we only have a few between the different ranges. I think this is really a pretty cool app. But anyway, yeah, give me feedback and tell me what you think of this. I'll try to post this, and I'm actually going to try to build a Facebook app that will pull your contacts out right now, or your friends rather. Right now I have a manual process of doing it, where I actually have to use the Facebook API, download an XML format of all the friends, and then I go ahead and parse that out and pull out all the data. My schema is pretty simple for the CXML, another new one. But you can see here pretty easily each one is pretty simple. It only took me a few hours to put together once I read the demo. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this. I'm going to put together a series of wrapper classes for this, so that it'll make a lot of this functionality a lot easier to just implement from an existing collection. I'm going to come up with some way to make this implement iCollection or iEnumerable and automatically generate your item collections based on the way the class is configured, and using the serialization, deserialization under the system XML namespace, you very easily get something that really accomplishes everything you need to do to build this out exactly the way you need it. All in all, I'm impressed, and I really look forward to working with this. I think it's really a pretty cool tool. Oh, and you can even search like this. I didn't even test that. Bob. Oh, that's pretty cool. Let's see who said that. Oh. All right, well, this is my simple Facebook pivot demo. I hope whoever sees this likes it, and please provide me with feedback and tell me how you think we can make this better. And keep an eye out, because I will be turning this into a full-fledged Facebook app. All right, thanks very much.